Mr. President Donald J. Trump, I speak to you today, sir, as a proud American, a U.S. Army and Marine Corps veteran, and I'm a proud MAGA supporter. I love this country with all my heart, but today, sir, I'm asking you from the bottom of my soul, please, to stop deporting Haitian migrants. Haitian migrants, they have no home to go to. Ask me why. Because 90% of Haiti is now controlled by gangs, violent groups that your administration labeled terrorists. These migrants, they are not fleeing for fun. They are fleeing for their lives. They are victims of war they did not start. Haitian migrants are not the hardened criminals that you vow to deport, sir. These Haitian migrants, they are teachers, nurses, caregivers, and builders, the backbone of any decent society. These Haitian migrants are not the drug dealers that your administration vowed to deport, sir. They are not killers. They are just human beings being displaced by violence, corruption, and fear. History does not lie. There was a time when Haiti was the richest colony in the world, La Perle des Antilles. We were the first to end slavery. We defeated France, Spain, and Britain alone. Our blood helped win freedom for millions. Today, our people clean hospitals, pack Amazon boxes, wash dishes in Miami, and work with in night shift in silence. Not because they are lazy, because their homeland was stolen. Mr. President, these are not illegals. Are your allies. They are soldiers like me who love America. They just want a better life for themselves and for their children. This is why, on behalf of the Haitian migrants community, I'm asking these three simple things, sir. First, respectfully ask you to renew the TPS program for the Haitians immediately. Second, to stop the deportation to a country in total collapse. And third, sir, I respectfully asking you to support the Haitian-led efforts to reclaim our nation. We don't need U.S., French, or Kenyan soldiers. We are the descendant of Jean-Jacques Dessalines and Capoalamo. Just give us the training, give us the gun, give us the support, and we will free our country ourselves. I myself ready to die so that Haiti can live because Haitians are not poor. We are rich in culture, spirit, and resilience. Mr. President, this is my SOS to you. Please stop the deportation. Please renew TPS. Please give Haiti a chance. Haiti, Pap Perry, Haiti will not perish. If you believe in strong borders and compassion, this is your moment to shine. Let's go viral for justice. Thank you.